duration, like longevity at a company. And that's just not as common as it used to be, right? Like you'd get into a company and people would have been working there for 15, 20, 25 years. And in a lot of cases now you see people leaving companies, I'll call a broad range of like 3 to 8 years, right? And there's pros and cons to both of that. To your point, if you're locked into a single company for all that time, you become an expert in how that company conducts its business, and you understand the ins and outs, and you probably really knowledgeable about the product, the folks in the organization. But if you come from various organizations, you've got that breadth of knowledge of that exposure of how different companies do it, and that probably generates a lot of innovative thinking or better problem solving in the sense that you can bring those experiences with you. But
yeah, finish your thoughts.
No, I was gonna say it's a challenge. I think one, to keep the talent in-house in the company that you work for, but then as an industry too, you take some of those things. To your point, you say, "Hey, I was working in this technology in the insurance space, but I can port that over to this really exciting new industry or different industry that's exploding," right? And so that's a challenge. Both sides are a challenge.
Absolutely.